Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can export your CVAT annotations and use it for YOLO segmentation training. So if you're not familiar with CVAT, go look up a tutorial on how to download and install CVAT. And once you've got your CVAT open, you can just click plus here and select this. Here you enter a name, cavity, underscore dataset. Okay. Then you don't need to enter this. Here you can add a label. So if you have like multiple classes, you can add that. So right now let's put the label name as cavity, and you can add attributes like if you have severity to the cavities. Like in my case, I have severity to my cavities. I can just add like severe, and severity I'm gonna add, and in that I'm gonna select radio since I can have multiple severities. So over here we can have low, then moderate, and then high, like this. So you can, if you just have a single class, you don't need this. You don't need to add a label. Basically, you can just add a class here, and you can click continue. And over here you can just wherever your data set is, just open this, and you can go to wherever your data set was. Yeah, over here. Let's do this one. So let me just control A and open. So you can see here these many files are selected. You don't need to mess with these two settings. You can just submit and open. So once you do that, you'll be over here. You can just open this, and no, you have to go to your jobs, and you can open this. So yeah, right here I've annotated, already done some annotations over here, and you can see I've almost annotated 100, almost 100 images. So yeah, let's see. So I need to annotate more images. So right now let's just go through the process of annotation. So yeah, just to show you, I'm gonna annotate a few images. So right here you just select this option, the polygon option over here, and select shape, and after that you press N. You can just press N and start kind of outlining the object. So let me just do this. So right here you can see that I've annotated two images, and if you had more than one class, you would get the option to select those classes over here. So you can just hover over it and select, kind of, you'll get a drop down over here to select multiple classes. So after you're done annotating, what you're going to do is you're just going to click save, and after that you're going to go to this and export job dataset. And since we're working with Polygon annotations, we need it for the model we're going to use is, it is called YOLO segmentation model. So if you are working with any other kind of annotation format, like you want it in any other kind of annotation format, this entire list is there. You can just select anyone you want. But since I'm working with YOLO, I'm going to choose this one, the segmentation. And along with the images, just select this and name your data set. So right now I'm going to name it, let's say, cavity. Yeah, for CVAT cavity, and you're going to click OK. So right here you can see that it's processing right here, and it's just gonna take a couple seconds to complete. So right here it's completed, and you can just click download over here. Yeah, just open this file, and you can see here the images, all of the images right here, and all the annotation text files over here. Along with here you'll have the data.yml file, where if you had like more than one classes over here, you would have 0, 1, 2 and the class names. And in the path, make sure to you specify the project path, and in train.txt you just mention the the train folder of your image dataset. So yeah, that's it. This was exporting CVAT annotations for YOLO segmentation model.